Hello, welcome, greetings, Assalamualaikum, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, to the third part, the final part of my presentation entitled Save the Earth, Save Our Souls. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is the final part of my three-part presentation using Monroe's motivated sequence, and these are the two final steps, which is visualization and call to action. I've already done this. I've already asked you to visualize, to imagine what will happen to our world if we don't do anything. What will happen? Well, this is what will happen, and unbelievably, this is happening right now. 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 Is this our future? Of course it's not. Of course it's not. Changes must happen. Changes must happen, starting with me, starting with you, starting with each and every one of us. Because this cannot be our future. This cannot be our future. This cannot be our future. Even though now the situation is already like this. This should be our future. This clean energy, green, beautiful skies, beautiful everything. But to do that, we need to look in the mirror. We need to change. We need to change our ways. Ladies and gentlemen, rubbish, 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 greenhouse gases, open burning, factories, polluting everything. This cannot be our future because you don't even have to visualize it. You don't even have to visualize it. It's already happening. It's already there. Look at that rubbish. Am I now part of the solution, or am I the cause of that problem? We only have one world. Please take action. I'm calling all of you. I'm calling on myself. I'm calling to all of you. Each and every one of us. We need to take action because we only have one planet. And this is our planet. This planet is yours. This planet is mine. We all share this one planet. This one planet. And if that planet is gone, then we are gone. And that cannot be our future. Simple steps. Not using plastic bags and then just throwing them away, using recyclable ones. Not drinking from bottles and then just throwing them away, plastic bottles. Sharing cars whenever you travel. Keeping your carbon footprint small. Not wasting energy, electricity, water, everything. Just choose one or two or three things that you want to do and start today. Start today. Because that's our planet. It's my planet, that's yours. If you and I, we don't do anything, we'll lose our planet. And if we don't save our planet, we don't save our souls. We don't save our souls. Everything will be gone. Everything will be gone. To end, I'd like to share a few lines of lyrics from this very famous song. I'm gonna make a change for once in my life. It's gonna feel real good. Gonna make a difference. Gonna make it right. Look at the man, the woman, the boy, the girl in the mirror. Make that change. Make that change, ladies and gentlemen. Make that change now. And hopefully, we can save the earth and we can save our souls. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you. I hope you'll join me for my next presentation.